Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Suno AI yearly plan discount. So I got this website which is called grabon.in. So this is the website and just go ahead search for Suno AI. Okay, and just click on this and you can see some flat 20% off on annual plan. So just click on this get deal, and if it's valid then it's going to be applied in your yearly plan as well. And that's how you get some free coupon codes or promo codes for your yearly plan. And I hope this video helped you out, and like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.